Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix Cash App payment failed for my protection. For example, if you have recently sent a payment to a Cash App account and it is saying that it is failed because of my protection, it means that you have selected an account which is unverified and there is a chance that this money will be gone. So for the security, Cash App stops that kind of transaction for your protection. So if you are seeing this kind of error, so you don't have to worry. So what you have to do, you have to simply uh, ask the user you want to send the payment that you have to change the account because that account is unverified. So Cash App stops that kind of account for security reasons. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the app info and you have to simply force stop the app, and after that you have to simply clear the storage and cache of your app, and you have to try the transaction with a different account, and this time this transaction will be completed successfully. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, kindly subscribe our channel.